Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to contact Google Play support. So if you're having trouble with an app, a purchase, or a subscription, then just follow along. First, open your web browser, then visit your Google Play Help website. Then sign in with the same Google account you use for Google Play. Next, choose the category that best matches your issue, such as purchase, subscription, payment, gift cards, or app problem. Scroll down and look for the Contact Us option. Depending on your country and your issue, you may see options like chat request, a call, or email. Then choose your preferred contact method and describe your issue in detail. And if your problem involves a purchase, then have your order number ready. You can find it in your purchase confirmation email or your Google payment history. You can also open the Google Play App Store. First, tap your profile picture, then tap Help and Feedback to browse the help, articles, and access support option. So that was how to contact Google Play support. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.